Welcome once more to this tutorial video. So what we are going to be doing is we are going to be creating this poster you can see on the screen, this football poster. It's a really simple one and this video is going to be really short. Without further ado, let's get started. So first off, I'm just making sure everything is alright. I'm going to select my rectangle and press and drag till it's alright, and I think that's fine. Now I'm going to remove the border, the stroke. I don't want it. Just remove the stroke and just follow where I click and you do the same thing. So right now I embedded this picture. File, place embedded, you select your picture, and that's how you bring in a new picture. So I'm just going to scale it up a little bit. I'm basically just adjusting it like to kind of suit me. Yeah, it looks good there. So I embedded the next picture. Just do the same thing. Go to file, place embedded, bring in another picture. Now that's fine. So now that one was looking fine, I'm going to bring in the third picture of Cody Gakpo. So I brought in the third picture and I'm just going to remove the background right there. How did I do that? I just pressed select subject when the image was brought in. Now I click on the mask. As you can see, created a new mask. Scale that up a bit. Basically, just click where I click. Do what I do, that way you get acquainted. So now I selected that image of Cody Gakpo, the first one. I want to add the text above it. Cody Gakpo. Now that font size is not really pleasant. I don't like it at all. But first off, let's adjust the line spacing. That's fine. Now there's something I want to adjust the font size. Not actually the font size. I set it to auto to see if the spacing is going to be okay, but it made things worse. So I guess I just have to manually set the spacing myself. Which is what I'm doing now to the font size. This is a really simple design and I'm doing it real quick. If you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to drop a like and comment. Subscribe to my channel and share as well. Now I'm going to add a picture of Anfield. I just brought a picture of Anfield and placed it behind the Gakpo image. I want this picture to be in the rectangle, so I'm just going to hover over there, press my Alt key and click on that line that separates the image and the rectangle. I'm going to create a mask. You can see the image now has an arrow to the left pointing directly down to the rectangle. So now I added a new layer fill, which was gradient, and you can see it has that same arrow. It's affecting only the picture, the background. Okay, you press and hold your Alt key and you hover over the line that separates them, then you click. So yeah, I came to camera raw filter. You just go to filter, camera raw filter, and then I added the texture. Now I'm going to add a background. Expand that real quick. Now that the background is done, Cody Gakpo, I'm going to change it to white so that it kind of shows. And we're already approaching the end of this video. Something really simple and small. I'm just going to select the light red color right here and do some sort of glow on Cody Gakpo. Notice when I created a new layer, you see there's an arrow to the left pointing down. You simply press your Alt key, you hover over the line that separates the two layers, the cursor will change. Then you click. So basically I was just adding shadows to Cody Gakpo. You can do it if you want, but I'm just doing it for you. No, not shadows actually. What am I even talking about? Duplicated the layer. I want to give him some kind of motion so that it feels like Gakpo is running. You get. And right there, I think it's fine. I duplicated Gakpo. You press Ctrl J, you duplicate the image. The one that was behind, I went to filter, blur, and choose motion blur. Now I'm just tweaking the levels of the curves in my background to make it a little bit darker and sharper. Thank you guys for watching this video, and we've approached the end.